Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap and welcome to this video. So if you have landed up on this video, so I'm assuming that you are preparing for NABARD grade A and you are curious to know that if I join NABARD as a grade A officer, so what about my promotions, what about my career growth? So today in this video, I'm going to talk about how promotion happen in NABARD and what is the career growth opportunity for you if you join as a NABARD grade A officer. Yes students, and also if you are someone who is preparing for NABARD grade A, तो आपके लिए ये वीडियो एज अ मोटिवेशन का भी काम करेगी बिकॉज यू विल सी दैट NABARD में करियर ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटी बहुत अच्छी है एंड आपको थोड़ा सा मोटिवेशन मिलेगा और पढ़ने के लिए. So with that, let's start the video. But before starting, I have an announcement that EduTap has launched a comprehensive NABARD guidebook. Students, see, if you want to know everything about NABARD as an organization, what is the functioning of NABARD, everything is covered here. And not only that, how can you prepare for NABARD grade A examination is also covered. It will provide you the previous year questions that are asked in NABARD as well as syllabus of NABARD grade A. On top of that, you will also get the resources and strategy to clear this NABARD grade A examination. Students, you can avail all this thing for free, and for that you have to go to the description box, click on the link, register yourself and avail this guidebook for yourself. So with that, let's start today's video. Students, before knowing how promotion happens in NABARD, let us just in brief understand what is NABARD as an organization. So students, there is a chairman of NABARD, okay, who is the apex person controlling the whole body. Then below chairman, we have deputy managing directors, okay, and there are board of directors. So basically board of directors are not the employees of NABARD. They are some other peoples, like they are government officials, government representative of RBI, representative of agriculture. So they are other people than NABARD employees. Okay, they are not employees of NABARD. First thing. Next, if we talk about NABARD offices, so we have head office in Mumbai. So the head office of NABARD is in Mumbai, and under this head office we have 27 departments, as you can see here. So we have head office and we have regional office. So there are 32 regional offices which are present in different state, and basically these regional offices are in metro cities, in good cities. So it's not like that you will be sent to some rural area. Okay, so there are 32 regional office, and under these regional office we have different section, like for example section 1, section 2 and so on. So we have different section in under each office. Then there are 4 training establishment where training happens. One of them is in Lucknow, and there are 3 other training establishment, and there are 7 subsidiaries of NABARD, like Nav Kisan, Nav Samruddhi, Nav Fins. So these are subsidiaries of the NABARD, and if you join NABARD as a grade A officer, you can be placed, you can be sent to any one of these. Okay, you can be sent to the subsidiaries, you can be sent to the training establishment, then regional offices or head office. So आपकी जो posting होगी वो कहीं भी हो सकती है if you join NABARD as a assistant manager. Now students, let us discuss कि promotions क्या है, what are the posts that you can aspire after becoming NABARD grade A officer. So students, the difference between NABARD grade A and grade B officer is that NABARD grade A is assistant manager post, while grade B is manager post. So थोड़ा सा manager post बड़ी हो जाती है assistant manager से, but all in all after becoming grade A, आप कुछ टाइम बाद आप manager post के लिए eligible हो जाते हो. Clear? Then after manager post we have assistant general manager post. Okay, then after becoming assistant general manager, there is a deputy general manager post, and we have a general manager post after deputy general manager, and after that you become CGM, that is chief general manager. Clear? So ये hierarchy है NABARD की. Now let us understand कि कैसे promotions होते हैं. ठीक है, आप कैसे switch कर सकते हो assistant manager से manager में, and so on. So if we see, if you join NABARD as an assistant grade A officer, so after 4 to 5 years, after serving the tenure of 4 to 5 years, you become eligible for manager post. But if there is a requirement, if there is any project, if any if your performance in these 4-5 year is good and there is a requirement of manager, then you will be promoted to the manager post. Clear? So minimum 4 to 5 years lag jate hain. It's not like that you will not get the increment. You will be getting the increment, but it will take 4 to 5 years. Okay, minimum 4 to 5 years. Then from grade A you become grade B officer. Now grade A and grade B officers are basically working under particular department if you are in the head office, or in particular section if you are under the regional office. Clear? Now after becoming the grade B, then also again you have to serve a tenure of 4 to 6 years, and after that you will be called for an interview based on the requirement of AGM post. Clear? If there is a vacancy, there is a post, then you will be called for interview, and after giving interview, and if you have successfully given the interview, you will become the assistant general manager. Now assistant general manager is a section in charge, means the if we see there are regional offices, and under regional offices there are different sections. So you become now the in charge of one section. Okay, if you become the assistant general manager. Now manager and assistant manager will report to the assistant general manager who are working in these different sections. Clear? Now after becoming assistant general manager, with if you serve a tenure of 4 years as assistant general manager, and you then, if there is a vacancy of DGM, then you will be called for a written test and interview. Based on your written test and interview performance, based on your performance, you will become deputy general manager. Now deputy general manager is the supervisor of 3 to 4 sections. Now as a AGM you were looking after one section. Okay, now if you become DGM, then you will supervise 3-4 section. Okay, the 3-4 AGM will report to DGM. Clear? So that is the promotion, that is the work of a DGM. Sorry. Then we have the tenure of 3 years. DGM will serve as a DGM will serve the tenure of 3 years, and based on the requirement, he will be called for interview. He or she will be called for interview, and then they will be promoted to general manager post. Now this general manager post, this general manager will be in charge of office. Okay, a particular, now till now 3-4 section was reporting to the DGM. Now the whole office in charge will become the general manager. Clear? जो आपका पूरा ऑफिस है, you can say person जो आपका पूरे ऑफिस का head है, that will be general manager. Okay, you will become general manager. Sorry, and after general manager you will become the chief general manager, who will be the head will be the head of the state. Okay, so now आप एक particular state के regional office के head हो. ठीक है, मीन्स आप पूरे स्टेट में जो भी एक्टिविटीज हो रही है, जो भी डेवलपमेंट एक्टिविटीज हो रही है, दैट यू विल सुपरवाइज एज अ CGM. So CGM is the highest post, and you will be the head of the particular state, complete state. So that is how you get promoted in NABARD and how the promotion happens in NABARD. So students, I hope through this you have got the clarity कि कैसे प्रमोशन होता है, कितना अच्छा स्कोप है. NABARD itself is a very reputed organization. Okay, and being a CGM of that particular reputed organization बहुत बड़ी बात है, right? So I hope ये आपको मोटिवेट करने के लिए इनफ होगा, and आपको थोड़ी क्लैरिटी मिल गई होगी कि आपका करियर ग्रोथ कैसा है NABARD में. But if you want to prepare with us for NABARD Grade A officer post, so we have 2 courses for you, that is Gold Pack and Silver Pack. In Gold Pack you will get the content for phase 1, phase 2 and interview, while in Silver Pack you will get the content of phase 2 as well as interview. So students, if you are someone who is good in क्वांट रीजनिंग इंग्लिश, तो आपको जो सिल्वर पैक है उसमें ESI ERD GA फेज 1 के लिए मिल जाता है. क्वांट रीजनिंग इंग्लिश आप खुद से कर सकते हो, तो दैट इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ सिल्वर पैक. आप सिल्वर पैक के लिए जा सकते हो, बट हाँ, अगर आपको स्क्रैच से स्टार्ट करना है, देन यू कैन गो फॉर गोल्ड पैक. क्लियर? So that was all for this video, students. I hope you have enjoyed. I have a request, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as join us on our Telegram channel. So that was all for this video. Thank you so much.